What happened just before the break. I have already introduced to you one of our past presidents of the club, a man who is going to voice his opinion. Let's put our hands together and welcome Mr. George Timothy.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests. And whenever the general evaluator is asked to come to the lectern, somebody will come and whisper, "George, closing the meeting is in your hands." And I have always felt champion of breakfast or whatever they were proclaiming before, it will amount to like Jindo sending a mail, 30 minutes break, sumptuous snacks. For many of us it will be like dinner, and we get quite a good, decent snacks, but I won't call it dinner. Anyway, I will do my best to curtail my evaluation, and it all depends on individual evaluators. The meeting started like any other meeting of Bangalore Toastmasters Club on time. We always start the meeting on time, but whether we close the meeting on time is what we should always mind. Sirajur Rahman, for a change, was the Sergeant at Arms today, and then when he recollected the first meeting, you could understand how passionate he is about the Toastmasters. He could collect the exact way the meeting was started way back in 1996. 1997? So, when I heard him, I could understand how those days would have been. But most of us will not be able to experience those difficult days when these founders found it very difficult to manage, and they had to hunt places to conduct the weekly meetings. I don't know whether it was weekly or fortnightly weekly meetings, and to reach 725th meeting is not at all an ordinary job. Hats off to these founders, and we need to applaud their efforts. The weekly education today was the acting president, Jindo Joseph, and he asked the acting secretary, Umakant, to come and read out the minutes of the 724th meeting. Since I was not present at the 724th meeting, I will not be able to comment. But only thing is, I would like to point out, I don't know, I may not be right or wrong, and Jayashree will be the right person to correct me. Usually in the minutes, nobody says, kicked up the meeting, kicked up the meeting. Is it okay, Jayashree? Even present standards? SMS standards? No. So I think I request the president to get it corrected. Minutes of the meeting are official document, and it has to be officially correctly maintained. The proper language has to be, proper words have to be used. Except for that, Umakant did a good job, and he read out RE from the heart. Where is Umakant secretary? He read and left. Okay. He must have been disappointed with the snacks. So then acting president took over, and then he recalled how this club has reached the 725th meeting. He rightly acknowledged the efforts of all the presidents, all the committees that have functioned during these years, and he said, when you are on the dance floor, you must look into the eyes very aptly, otherwise your dance will go waste. You have to look straight into the eyes of the partner. Jindo, I am looking forward to the day where you will be the president of the club, and I was very, very impressed, and hats off to you. The club is going to have a wonderful president in future. Then he called the chief guest. When I heard him calling him the chief guest, I thought somebody outsider, some coffee roaster or coffee toaster or coffee taster. And then when I realized he's our own man, our district governor, I said, I wouldn't call him a chief guest. He's a part of the family and we are growing under him. So he is our mentor. He is our guide. So let me take the liberty of evaluating him also. If he was an outsider, I wouldn't dare, since he's our own man. Mr. Nagaraj Rao, I was amazed by the way you related Toastmaster experience to your personal and business experiences. And all of us have something to say about this. All of us go through this transformation after becoming a regular member of Toastmaster. And it has happened to everybody. I wouldn't, I don't think anybody is here who is a regular Toastmaster will not relate to the personal life transformation with Toastmasters. You could have, this is my suggestion, whenever you come and then the meeting is scheduled for 6:30 to 8:30, the Toastmaster experience you could have avoided speaking more on your business and avoided taking more than required time. This is my suggestion. I don't think you will have any hard feeling about it. So all the way, we learned a lot and it's great to have you as a district governor and we are proud to have you. One round of big applause for district governor. Then the acting president brought in our choreographer, Saroj Khan or Farah, who are the people there? Huh? Farah Khan. And who is that fat fellow who also dance? Huh? No, another guy who, you know, bulky. Fantastic. And when I heard that Bosco is going to be the Toastmaster, I said I would like to attend the meeting. I didn't expect to become a GE, but then it is always a treat to hear Bosco. And he's a veteran. I don't have to explain about his, I think it is done by the president himself. So, Bosco, we are comets, but you are a gem here. I tell you, the club is fortunate to have a person like him. So, the only suggestion I would like to give to Bosco is that when he is on the lectern and when the congregation or when several people are seated in front, don't denigrate the public sector. I belong to public sector. No, it's not a laughing matter. It's not a laughing matter. If we have survived the recession, please introspect and then realize that it is the public sector banks that have survived. And if India is still on its feet, seeing growth, it is only because of this nature, and it may have a lot of shortcomings, but they are very safe. And a lot of you who are putting your money in private sector banks, please shift it to public sector banks. It is not at all a laughing matter. I am again stressing it is very safe to have it in the public sector bank. And I request Bosco, a veteran like you, not to use the word preserved, reserved, and deserved. All of us deserve in our own way. So that is the only suggestion. Otherwise, you are wonderful, Bosco. Then we came up to prepared speech session. Speaker 1 was Sumitra Manmohan, a toast to my companion. So when I heard the title, I thought she was talking about her beloved husband. I just talk to Manmohan and tell him, complain that she's got an affair with newspapers. So I request her, evaluate Mr. Robinson.